Good morning, good morning. It's a Saturday morning. I am getting ready to change my twins. This is Teddy and Tamara on a Saturday, and I have their clothes. I always have their clothes hanging up, or whatever, which one they want to decide to wear or to sleep in. This is we in May month. So anyhow, I am going to get them prepared so when they want to lodge around in their clothes on a Saturday morning. Well, good morning. Hope all is well. So right now I'm gonna pick out Tamara's onesie. I think she wants Mama's midi. She want Mama's midi, or she want new in town. Okay, if you don't want that one, baby. Um, hold on. Maybe you might want the Mickey Mouse. Okay, I'm gonna give you the Mickey Mouse. Yeah, I want Mickey Mouse. All right, so you know what? I'm gonna give you Mickey Mouse right now. I usually like to hang up the clothes. So you want a Mickey Mouse? Okay, I'll give you the Mickey Mouse. Which one? Yeah, I'll give her the Mickey Mouse. This one here says, "I am fabulous." All right, okay. All right, baby girl, that's what you're gonna have on. Okay, hold on. All right, wonderful, awesome. All right, so anyhow, I am going to change. All right. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to change Tamara first. Come on, little girl. Yeah, you are right. I know. It's been cold. Alrighty, I know. It's been kind of cold, right? Mm-hmm. Been kind of cold. Yeah. You want your socks on? Keep your socks on if you want your socks on. Yeah, it's been kind of cold, huh? Past couple of days, it's been chilly. I think it's supposed to rain or thunderstorm or something. Yeah. How about that? Ready? Yeah, you're gonna have that on. I am fabulous. Yeah, I am fabulous. That's cute. Mickey Mouse. I am fabulous. Alrighty then. Come on. Here you go. There you go. Yeah. Come on now. Come on, Mira. Come on, Mira. Come on, Mira. Mira. Come on, Mira. Alright, now, girlie. I am fabulous. Am fabulous. I am fabulous. I am fabulous. Fabulous. I'm just gonna wipe your face down with the light. I am fabulous. I like that. I like the onesie. Wonderful onesie you get. You get a bird early in the morning. I'd say that bird gets us up around nearly what? 4? Close to 4? 5 o'clock in the morning. Making them noise. And I don't know, they must be doing out there some kind of humming. They doing some humming. I don't know. That's okay. Mm-hmm. Right, Mira. Right, Mira. Excuse me. It's Saturday morning. Yes, it is the Saturday morning, Saturday morning. My mirror. Look at that, my sweet girl. Yeah. Wait, hold on, honey bun. Yeah, honey bun. I gotta get your brother. Mm-hmm. Give me that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you wanna go to the BB to this side here? Let me. Okay, come on, baby. I know you spin. Come on, Teddy. Teddy, Teddy, Teddy. Hey, Teddy. Hey, Teddy. Let's get out these pajamas. Let's get out these pajamas. Yeah, that's right. Let's get out those pajamas. Let's get out the pajamas. Yeah, you go. Wait a minute. Let's get out these pajamas. And keep the socks on if you want. You keep the socks on. Mm-hmm. Let's get out the pajamas. There you go. Let's keep those on. And keep the socks on. Mm-hmm. Let's get that off. Mm-hmm. I do wash my baby clothes. Yep, I wash their clothes. That's right. I wash their clothes. Somebody tell them, please leave me something to wash. Some extra clothes. Yes. Extra clothes. Extra clothes. Well, happy Saturday. Good morning. Happy Saturday. I am up with my babies, changing them. Morning route. We know we always hear the birds. Every time when I do a video, I hear the birds. So, I'm gonna stop chirping. They might have found something to eat out there. I don't know. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Teddy. The birds must. They must have. Oh, now I hear them. They must be out. You know, the birds, they be out there. They be gathering together. Mm-hmm. Chirping away. Oh, now I hear the bird. They went somewhere. I usually hear them a lot. Big time. And that was like less chirping. 1 to 1. Right. Well, I got my twins up ready early. So anyhow, today is Saturday. We're gonna enjoy the day. And I hear you, Birdie. That's so cute. Anyhow, we're gonna enjoy the day. And today is Saturday. And yeah. Well, guys, enjoy your day. Ah.